Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss if XRP is ready to become a partner with Amazon. But before we start the video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away. The Chief Technology Officer of the United States-based blockchain cross-border payment services giant Ripple, David Schwartz, has claimed in a statement that the leading American multinational tech firm Amazon is definitely planning on utilizing federated side chains of XRP Ledger, the global payments network of Ripple. While making this claim in an interview with Thinking Crypto, the CTO stated that the major e-commerce firm has surely got the infrastructure that it needs for making this occur. This is what he stated: Amazon could definitely, and they are certainly have the infrastructure to make this happen. What we need to do is to create software that's clean and organized enough. Then I think it would be very competitive. XRP Ledger's architect talked about the platform and said that the end point of discussion is that building on this platform is really easy. These remarks by Ripple's CTO have come 1 month after the addition of federated sidechains was proposed by him. The real purpose behind these federated sidechains is that these could be utilized for implementing smart contracts, and it won't affect XRP Ledger security as well. While revealing futuristic plans, the chief technical officer said that the biggest use case for them could be the decentralized finance DeFi market. He clearly asserted that this is not a part of their agenda, and it is not a Ripple thing. He said that this decision is of the community to decide whether this new feature should be added to the XRP Ledger or not. Furthermore, he said that the people need multi-cross payments in the world. While talking about the importance of the company's native digital currency XRP, he claimed that the 7th ranked cryptocurrency could be used for liquidity purposes as people need it even if the world's leading digital currency, Bitcoin, succeeds in taking over in the future. The coin has rallied by 70% in less than 10 months, starting at 43 cents. This run-up pushed XRP to register a 2021 all-time high at $1.84. As impressive as this rally is, XRP was not hit by any significant opposing forces and a major downswing during the climb. From a big picture perspective, the XRP coin saw an exponential run-up, which gives enough reason for the correction that followed, sending the price tumbling down to 52 cents. In addition, an increase in profit-taking is also likely to knock the Ripple token further down to the immediate support of 89 cents. If this level fails to hold, XRP will slide lower and tag the next barrier at 60 cents. After that, however, traders should anticipate the bears to dig deeper and retest the 50% retracement level at 53 cents. This downswing is where bullish actors are likely to step in and try to cauterize the wound. XRP is likely to find massive support and potential upswing around a buy zone around 86 cents. While the stage looks set to crumble for XRP, there is a chance the coin could fall on good fortunes and witness a spurt of buy orders that propel XRP to pierce through the range high at $1.28. XRP price prediction, market opinions. The market has taken investors on a roller coaster ride throughout 2021 as initial pessimism about XRP price prediction prospects gave way to a relief rally. As the new year inches closer, XRP looks to be able to finish in the green, although the recent price action just barely pushed its way to positive territory. Many early and peak price investors have had a tough time dealing with the unpredictable volatility in XRP prices. As a result, many are trying to answer the question, is there room for further Ripple price growth in 2022? The community seems united in an optimistic view, but the timelines are conflicting. Wallet Investors shows that the XRP price forecast for the next year shows the token is primed for profit taking following a test of $1.59. This forecast might as well be a guide to where to buy XRP, since this project can only mean XRP is currently treading on a last-minute buy opportunity. Nevertheless, XRP looks strong ahead of 2022, and the sentiments driving the markets are firmly on the token's good side. The only thing remaining is a burst of buyer activity. January shows a critical link at $1.02 that presents a buy signal. The forecast reveals XRP could see record gains if token holders band together to pierce the 2021 to date high by March. Investors eyeing a selling opportunity at the high of $1.14 should reconsider, as the XRP price forecast for the rest of the year shows the advance could see a test of $1.70 by December 2022. Gov Capital's forecast for the next year proposes the Ripple token is on the cusp of a solid rally for $1.56 within a year, eyeing an upswing that could set the stage for a decisive price action in 2022. Investors are mounting pressure on XRP to make a comeback to the top 3 in the market. This projection shows bullish momentum thriving amid buyers aligning en route to challenge $5.45 within 5 years. Digital coin XRP price prediction for the next year shows the tightening spree is over as all eyes look up to the looming test of $1.66 in 2022. XRP bullish momentum is projected to restart pending a breakout of $1 to recover 2018 losses. Tension mounts as XRP inches closer to $1, which could make or break this XRP coin price prediction as investor appetite pressures XRP prices to find a catalyst for a breakout. Coin Codex price forecast for XRP coin is bearish as failed breakouts spur sell-off, thereby deteriorating the mood of buyers, risking further drop. Market sentiments are not growing enough to keep up with target prices. As a result, the token keeps weakening, but on a positive note, the XRP price might be providing a buying opportunity as it spirals lower to 91 cents. As the token regains its fighting spirit, the forecast eyes a bullish trading price in January. A modest recovery justifies an XRP price forecast for the rest of the year that seeks to exhibit strength and book a test of $1.70 by December 2022. The Ripple token could gain on renewed speculations as investors await a breakout. Crypto Ground XRP coin price prediction concludes the coin is running on speculations. The sellers will bear the brunt as buyers look poised to set the tone by returning to the demand zone. Sentiments lead the way for a bullish XRP price forecast for the rest of the year, which could climax at $1.85 by December 2022. Changeli projects that XRP will remain on the winning side in 2022 as it finds the catalyst for a test of $3.84. After that, speculation rules, but concerns could delay this price forecast. The profit-taking sentiment remains in the driver's seat as traders look to inflict maximum weight on the rally. This XRP price forecast for the next year determines that crypto will advance, heading to untested territory, which could make or break the strength of buyers. Cryptocurrency experts and influencers. Conservative XRP coin price prediction narratives say the cryptocurrency will reach $2 by 2022. However, some experts are more bullish while others are hesitant to make XRP coin price predictions a price and a date instead of pointing to the trend of consistent value growth. Vince Price, for starters, offers an XRP price prediction 2025, anticipating the cryptocurrency to advance heading into $1 territory. The forecast places a lot of emphasis on the buying opportunity at 95 cents. This XRP price forecast for the next year eyes a profit-taking target at $1.80 as XRP is sent back into corrective mode by mid-March 2022. All in all, XRP price prediction is on the brink of turning bullish. Yon SFX XRP price forecast for the rest of the year sets a buying opportunity at 91 cents. This prediction places XRP at a critical point as recovery plateaus. The coin needs to make a comeback and push the price to fresh highs as it aims to convert $1.02 to support. This level is significant because a breakout failure could send XRP coiling up into consolidation mode. GJM Real Estate anticipates XRP's attempt to retest $1.14 as the downside risk increases. XRP needs to clear one of two major hurdles to cement a bullish XRP price forecast for the rest of the year. The bulls are saddled up, rattled by speculation of another rally to retest, and maybe conquer $1.71. The project draws strength from the fact that prices are looking to stabilize as buyers prepare for takeoff in 2022. The XRP prediction that points to $1 as the make or break of XRP is collaborated by crypto expert Philip L., who determines that crypto is under intense pressure. XRP price hints at a bullish outlook with a 40% potential to crack the pending resistance level. This XRP price prediction offers plenty of reasoning why the Ripple token will crack $1 in 2022, as headwinds fade away and buy signals foreshadow the bearish risks. Latest news and happenings concerning XRP. For the longest time now, the SEC has been entangled with Ripple in a case that could determine the future of XRP. The suit is against Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen, concerning $1.3 billion worth of XRP tokens sold. The argument by the SEC claiming that the sale of XRP was an unregistered securities offering has rattled many investors. As a result, big cryptocurrency investors like Kevin O'Leary are kept off XRP until the case is determined and encourage investors to keep off it until litigation is finalized. News from the SEC concerning Ripple and its token has set the price into a free fall in the past. The Ripple executives base their defense on the argument that XRP is not a security, which has implications for this token and many others in the industry. So far, experts believe the suit will be decided in Ripple's favor. Fintech has been making great strides in the case, and this good news could be the final signal of XRP making explosive moves in 2022. On the other hand, every XRP prediction has this case as its weakness. Ripple's CEO expects that the case will conclude in 2022. An end to this long-standing feud could be a major catalyst for XRP. For this reason, investing in the token before settlement of the case has been regarded as a precarious investment. Things have been progressing smoothly despite the slow-moving judicial process. The market has witnessed and reacted to both parties tabling accusations against the other. The fortunes of XRP price prediction 2025 have moved with the case's developments, so the idea of a conclusion around the corner is welcomed. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.